Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Tadpole DOS virus. This virus infects both COM and EXE files when they are executed. So let's get right to it and run the virus. Tadpole.exe, Tadpole virus loaded. Well, something tells me that there is now a virus that may be active in this system. You know, it's very subtle, I can't really tell, we may be fine, but I got this feeling in my gut that we might have unleashed a virus. So let's look at our old friend, Graphics.com. 19,742 bytes, as always. When we execute it, Tadpole will infect it. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong file, excuse me. My mind is a bit frazzled today. Graphics.com has increased in size to 22,534 bytes. So Tadpole has infected it, the file size has increased, so every time you run this file, it will become active in memory and start infecting other files when you run them. And that's about it for the Tadpole virus. Thank you very much. Oh wait, that's not interesting at all, is it? Well, luckily for you, there is a graphical payload. It activates on the 28th or later of any month. So let's go ahead and change this to April 28th, 1995. It sounds like a good date. Now we do need to restart for this virus to know that it's the 28th. So let's go ahead and do that. Because I like you, here's the seek test. Beautiful. You might notice the 5 1/4 drive, the second burr burr, sounds a little bit different. I actually replaced the drive in my hiatus there. So don't be alarmed, it's slightly different, but it's still the good old Packard Bell Legend 316 SX that you know and love. So, we load the Tadpole virus once again, and now we sit here and we wait several minutes. No keyboard activity, nobody come dancing on this keyboard, nobody smash it in anger. We need complete radio silence coming from this keyboard for the virus to activate. So I'm going to sit back in my chair and relax. I've been sitting here in the dark and quiet for about a minute, and nothing has happened yet. But we're going to keep sitting here and waiting. Hopefully it doesn't take several hours, because that would really suck. But thanks to the magic of video editing, you'll basically be skipping right to the payload. Hey, there we go. Took about 5 minutes of waiting. But we now get this message with an animated tadpole-like thing bouncing and swimming around the screen, saying Philippines 2000, greetings. This tadpole lurks behind your empty mind. It wriggles through your brain just to remind. You ought to have a sense of real concern on virus strains that plagued you've got to learn. What have you done to clean this dirty world? Have you taken steps on bogus softwares sold? What have you done to lethal engineers who did create those worms and viral smears? This tadpole lurks behind your empty mind. If you've done nothing, you will surely find this tadpole leaps out of you brainless fools to breed a million more of wriggling tadpoles. I mean, if you wanted to complete the rhyme, you'd have to stretch it a bit, but finishes off with, soon silicon-based artificial life forms will rule this organic world. The creator will disavow any knowledge of my actions. Signed, CCCV, copyright outlawed, technology section, CCC Comp E, Hail UC. So, it's a nice virus with a nice poem. The meter's pretty good. The rhymes are almost all there. It's a bit of a stretch at the end, and part of the middle. World and soul don't really go well together, but I'll allow it. Bonus points for the style on the tadpole worm thing animation. It's pretty neat. Bounces around, kind of goes a little randomly across the screen. Just looks kind of neat. When we're at this point, the computer is completely locked up. Cannot do anything. Caps lock does nothing. Control-Alt-Delete does nothing. Your only option at this point is to flip the power off. And I don't mean flip it to bird. I mean hit the switch. Power back on. And your computer is fine. But if you leave it alone for 5 minutes after running an infected program, you will see the tadpole again. One more seek test. because I like you a lot. And see, we will still boot into DOS. And the program that makes DOS refresh at 60 Hz loads properly. Everything is fine, except we are still infected with the Tadpole virus, but luckily we don't have to worry about data loss or anything like that. So that is about it for the Tadpole DOS virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.